Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset a Candy Brava dishwasher when the 3-hour, 6-hour, and 9-hour lights start blinking. This usually looks like an error code, but the fix is simple. If your Candy dishwasher won't start any program and those three lights flash together, don't panic. It's often a lock or reset issue, not a major fault. Look closely at the control panel. You'll notice two buttons with a small key symbol underneath. These are the lock and reset controls you'll need. Now, press and hold both of those key buttons at the same time for at least 3 seconds. Keep holding until the lights stop flashing and the panel resets. Once the lights clear, try selecting a wash program again. Yeah, and if everything worked, the dishwasher should start normally without the blinking error. If the problem comes back, unplug your dishwasher or switch it off at the wall for 5 minutes, then power it back on. This gives the machine a deeper reset, and that's it. Just hold the two key buttons for a few seconds to reset, and your Candy Brava dishwasher should be back to normal. If it still doesn't work, check the manual or contact Candy support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick appliance fixes.